Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to temporarily deactivate Facebook account. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Facebook application. Once you're there, just head over to the three lines icon to the upper right corner and then scroll down and go to settings and privacy. Go to settings. Now go to Meta account setup. Now head over to your informations and permissions, or you can just head over to personal details and here go to account ownership and control. It says that you can manage your data, modify your legacy contact, and deactivate or delete your accounts and profiles. So head over to it. Tap on deactivation or deletion. Now tap on the Facebook account and here just check mark on deactivate account, tap on continue. All you need to do is just to tap your password now and tap on continue, and then your account will be deactivated. This is how you can do it. Hope this video will help you out and we will see you in the next one.